Brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth every day.
Make your bed.
I make my bed every morning.
Wash your face.
I wash my face with water.
Comb your hair.
I comb my hair before school.
Take a bath.
I take a bath every evening.
Wear your clothes.
I wear clean clothes daily.
Tie your shoes.
I tie my shoes before going out.
Eat your breakfast.
I eat my breakfast before school.
Pack your bag.
I pack my school bag in the morning.
Go to school.
I go to school every weekday.
Clean your room.
I clean my room every Saturday.
Pick up your toys.
I pick up my toys after playing.
Set the table.
I set the table before dinner.
Clear the table.
I clear the table after eating.
Wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes with soap and water.
Dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes with a towel.
Sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor to keep it clean.
Mop the floor.
I mop the floor when it's dirty.
Dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture on weekends.
Take out the trash.
I take out the trash every evening.
Collect dirty clothes.
I collect dirty clothes for laundry.
Wash the clothes.
I help wash the clothes in the machine.
Dry the clothes.
I hang the clothes to dry.
Fold the clothes.
I fold the clean clothes.
Put away clothes.
I put away the clothes in drawers.
Water the plants.
I water the plants every morning.
Pick up trash.
I pick up trash to keep the yard clean.
Rack the leaves.
I rake the leaves in autumn.
Help in the garden.
I help plant flowers in the garden.
Feed the dog.
I feed the dog twice a day.
Give water to cat.
I give water to the cat every day.
Brush the dog.
I brush my dog's fur gently.
Walk the dog.
I walk the dog in the evening.
Do your homework.
I do my homework after school.
Read a book.
I read a storybook every night.
Write in notebook.
I write neat sentences in my notebook.
Sharpen your pencil.
I sharpen my pencil when it's blunt.
Pack your lunch.
I pack my lunch before going to school.
Draw pictures.
I draw pictures in my art book.
Color with crayons.
I color the pictures neatly.
Make a card.
I make a birthday card for Mom.
Bake cookies.
I help Mom bake cookies.
Decorate the room.
I help decorate the room with balloons.
Help mom in kitchen.
I help mom in the kitchen.
Wipe the table.
I wipe the table after meals.
Polish the shoes.
I polish my shoes before school.
Wash your hands.
I wash my hands before eating.
Hang the towel.
I hang the towel after bathing.
Switch off the lights.
I switch off the lights before sleeping.
Close the windows.
I close the windows at night.
Help dad with tools.
I help dad with his toolbox.
Water indoor plants.
I water the indoor plants every day.
Clean under the bed.
I clean under the bed with a broom.
Clean your shoes.
I clean my shoes with a brush.
Feed the fish.
I feed the fish in the aquarium.
Match the socks.
I match the socks after laundry.
Help a friend.
I help my friend carry books.
Put away school things.
I put away my school books neatly.
Recycle waste.
I put bottles in the recycling bin.
Say please and thank you.
I always say please and thank you.
Share your toys.
I share my toys with my friends.
Wait your turn.
I wait my turn while playing games.
Be kind to others.
I speak kindly to everyone.
Say sorry.
I say sorry when I make a mistake.
Wash fruits.
I wash fruits before eating.
Make your sandwich.
I make my own sandwich.
Check your school bag.
I check my bag before leaving.
Get your lunchbox.
I take my lunchbox to school.
Turn on the fan.
I turn on the fan when it's hot.
Help grandma.
I help grandma walk in the garden.
Say good morning.
I say good morning to my family.
Listen to parents.
I always listen to my parents.
Color neatly.
I color the picture neatly.
Help your brother.
I help my little brother get ready.
Be on time.
I get ready on time every day.
Help set alarm.
I help set the alarm for school.
Help clean the car.
I help Dad wash the car.
Clean the mirror.
I clean the mirror with a cloth.
Dry the clothes.
I help dry the clothes in the sun.
Fill water bottles.
I fill all the water bottles.
Recycle paper.
I put old paper in the recycle bin.
Fix the pillow.
I fix the pillow on my bed.
Open the curtains.
I open the curtains in the morning.
Help clean windows.
I help Dad clean the windows.